Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. First of all, open your Trust Wallet and go to the wallet section. You will see this screen. From here, all you have to do is click on Send. On this page, you will see all of the cryptocurrency that you own in your Trust Wallet. You have to select your cryptocurrency. It will show you the sending information. For example, recipient address and the amount of the coins that you want to send. From here, all you have to do is open your Crypto.com application on your phone and then click on the transfer button. From here, you will see two options, deposit and withdraw. You have to select deposit. Again, you will see two more options, crypto and fiat. So to transfer your crypto, you have to select crypto. From here, you have to click on the search icon and search the coin that you want to deposit into Crypto.com. Once you have found your cryptocurrency, you have to click on it. And then Crypto.com application will show you a QR code along with the wallet address. You have to click on the copy button in front of the address. And then what you have to do is go back to your Trust Wallet application. Click on the paste button to paste your wallet address. And in the amount section, you have to enter the number of coins that you want to send to Crypto.com. Once you've entered the amount, you have to click on Next. Now a confirmation page will open to tell you that you're sending this amount of crypto to your Crypto.com wallet. All you have to do is click on Send and you have successfully transferred crypto from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.